All right, we're back, and we went ahead and placed my layered composite. I chose an OA3 base, and I went over with an SL, which is a CL, excuse me, a CL. The SL used to be called the Superlight. This is now called, I believe it's the Composite Light from Kulzer products. Okay, so that's it. We'll bring up the light now, take a look at our tooth, and see how the beautiful transition now coming from the enamel all the way through the dentin. So we don't have one color, but we have a transition of colors, and that's what you want. You want that to fade in, and you don't want it too over contoured at the neck. You want a little S contour, a little reverse negative contour from a zero emergence profile, so you're not completely making that totally round. It's an S contour. Next step, polish, and then patient dismissal. Thank you for watching today, and we'll catch you next time on the next video clip. This is Dr. Jerry Cuomo. Enjoy your day out there. Take care.